The AJCA is proud to provide a simple and efficient way for members to register their cattle. Registered jerseys add value to a dairy producer's bottom line by building generations of pedigrees to market their animals and track identification for more accurate mating decisions based on pedigree information and milk production records. Hi, I'm Jody Williams. I have worked for the American Jersey Cattle Association for 4 years in the Herd Services Department. And today I'm going to guide you through a video tutorial which explains how to register your cattle, one of the most important and easiest steps that can help you increase the value of your herd. Let's get started. Go to the US Jersey website and in the top right corner, click the infoJersey tab on the home page. This will take you directly to the infoJersey website where you will either need to enter your account information or enroll and create your own account. To create your account, you must have an owner-customer account number. This is a 6-digit number and can be found on your animal registration certificates or other documents you may have received from the AJCA. Enter the appropriate information in the form and press Create Account. If you do not have a number, contact the AJCA office for assistance. Once you're logged in to the website, hover your mouse over the Herd Services tab, the second option, and again over Animal Registration. Once here, select New Registration. This is the page where you will enter the information for the registration process. The AJCA requires registered animals to have permanent identification, which is either 2 tamper-proof American ID tags or tattoos within the ear. The first box you will see is the National ID section. If you are using Jersey tags for permanent ID, this is the 8 or 15-digit number on the tag, which later becomes the calf's registration number. However, if you're using tattoos rather than ear tags, you will leave all sections with the yellow tag beside them blank. Next, you will enter the name of the animal. This can be anything you like. It is common for breeders to use a farm prefix as well as the sire's name and then a barn name. While inputting this, keep in mind you are limited to 32 characters and spaces, and you must use the prefix of the breeder. But you do not need to include designations for polled or embryo transfer within this section. The system includes those for you at the end. The next section covers the general information of the animal. Ensure you are correctly entering the animal's birth date, sex, service type by which the animal was conceived, AI, natural, embryo transfer, ET split, or clone, twin status, and whether the animal is polled. Remember, if this is an ET calf, the dam must be parentage verified. If you are using ear tags for the herd management number, this is the large printed number that you'll use to ID her in your herd, as this number can be anything such as 166 or 2,573. If you do not use tags but use tattoos, you must input the information in the tattoo section, and it must include at least 1 letter and 1 number in 1 or both ears. Parentage information is the next step in the process of registering. The sire's information can either be put as a registration number or his stud code delegation in AAB code. For the dam, you can use her registration number, but not all 17 digits you see on her paper. Start with the first number, most commonly a 1 or a 6. However, if your dam is registered with an 840 RFID, you will need to change the country to United States 840. Then enter all the information following the 840 code, most commonly starting with a 3. If your dam is unregistered, you have options to change the breed code, but if you do not fill in the ID box, the system will default to Grade Jersey. The final step in the process is submitting the owner information. Enter the account number that belongs to the animal's first owner. The first owner is always the person who owns the dam at the time of calving. Optional information can be entered at the end of the application. Previous ID could be the orange metal clip tags, or electronic ID will be an 840 RFID tag placed in the ear. If at any point throughout this process you need to exit the application but wish to return, select Save Application. There will be a second pop-up browser that will ask you to save the application a second time. After you do this, it will be in your registration bin until you can complete the application Once you're finished and all required boxes are filled in, select Continue to look over the application, verify all spellings and dates are correct. Once you are sure all items are correct and hit Complete, you'll be taken to the final page. This page will give you the animal's registration number, which you should write down and save until you have the official paper. The certificate will be printed the following business day and mailed. If at any point you're getting an error that you're unable to fix or understand on your own, select Save Application and contact our office for assistance. We can be reached at herdservices@usjersey.com or by phone 614-861-3636.